5 pronouns in English for beginners. Subject pronoun, object pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, and possessive adjectives. I'm gonna teach you how to use them with the words in the English language. Let's first start with the subject pronoun. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and who. The subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform or make the action in a phrase. The subject pronouns are always the first part in a phrase. Let's see an example of the subject pronouns. Maria goes to school every week. In this phrase, Maria is the subject pronoun, the one who performed the action in the phrase. Object pronoun. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, us, them, and whom. The object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a phrase. Let's see an example of the object pronoun. I love you. I love you. In this phrase, you is the object pronoun, is the one which receives the action in the sentence. Reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a specific type of pronoun that is used for the object of a verb when it refers to the same name as the subject of the verb. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Let's see an example of the reflexive pronoun. Maria does the homework by herself. In this phrase, herself is the reflexive pronoun because it refers to the same noun, which is Maria. Possessive pronoun. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, hers, its, ours, yours, and their. The possessive pronoun is a pronoun they use to express ownership or possession. Let's see an example of a possessive pronoun. This book is mine. Mine in this phrase is a possessive pronoun, for it performs or explains my possession. Possessive adjective. The possessive adjectives are mine, your, his, her, its, our, their. The possessive adjective is an adjective that modifies by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. My telephone, my telephone, my book, my book.